Welcome to my channel, Pints and Paddles. This is a video tour of Seaway, which we rented from Horning Pleasurecraft over the May Bank holiday weekend. So we hired this boat for 3 nights, and as you can see with the canopy down, sun shining, you can't beat it. It's absolutely beautiful. We were really lucky to have sunshine pretty much every day we were there. We did have one night where it rained lightly, but with that canopy, it's so easy to remove or put back up. We pretty much sat outside on this cockpit area for the majority of our stay. And the driver's seat is fully adjustable, so that's height and it moves back and forward. And the windows also can come down if needed. We are now going into the saloon/galley area. That sofa does fold out into a bed. We didn't use it. There is also storage to the top left of the sofa and under the sofa itself. And then as you can see, I'm just showing you some other storage cupboards there. The cutlery drawer is actually hidden in the galley. I'll just show you there. You just pull it out from a little hidden compartment there. Didn't film inside the fridge. It is quite small. However, I would say it's perfect for a 3-day stay, but any longer, just make sure you add food shops to your journey. Then you have the shower room to your left. The shower head is actually the tap that's in the sink. You just pull the tap and you can connect it to the adapter above the mirror. And there's also a hook and shower curtain at the back of the bathroom door, which we use so we could cover our towels just to stop them from getting wet. Moving on to the cabin, you've got the wardrobe, which is mirrored, the bed, which we found really comfortable. We didn't have any problem sleeping. Underbed storage, bedside cupboard, and the dressing table. I really hope you found this video helpful, and I'll be posting lots of content based on the Norfolk Broads for the foreseeable, so please like and subscribe. Thank you.